Did you know? 50 billion chickens worldwide. In that, 116 million broilers in the UK and 29 million laying hens. 750 million broilers slaughtered annually in the UK. The recent studies shown that chickens today are 4 times bigger than they were in the 1950s. The average size of a chicken has increased from 905 gram to 4,202 gram, and the lifespan has decreased from 11 weeks to 6 weeks. In the poultry field, they put hormones in the feed to make chickens grow so big and fast it would cause increased leg problems and even early death. A 2006 study found that 55% of uncooked chicken purchased from supermarkets contained arsenic, which is known to cause cancer in humans. Chicken flesh and eggs are packed with cholesterol. Still, chicken is often recommended by physicians and nutrition counsellors as an alternative to red meat, beef and pork to avoid heart disease. Could chicken be human-sized by the end of the century?